Well, video from the second run for temperatures was just too dark to post to make anybody watch. So here's about 30 seconds of it, along with the clicking noise and an explanation of why the clicking noise was happening. So, all right, I'm about to go drive this thing and see what happens now. Okay, so yes, once again, my XMaxx is on the bench, but that's okay. You'll hear it in the previous two videos, the clicking sound of a rear diff failing. Right there, you can see where one little section of teeth got damaged. This one annoys me a little bit because it happened so quickly from the first one lasting for so long, but it's okay because I've already bought the heavy duty stuff and was just waiting for something to fail. So let me get this installed and then we'll get back running again here. Okay, so got it opened up. You can see there is a little wear on the diff cup, but that's not enough to bother me. I'd rather have the old outside axle pins snap, I guess, than these things break. So there's the inside of it. Let me get this swapped out here real quick. Same here. Quick look at the heavy duty gear for anybody who hasn't seen one yet versus the stock.